1. Pre-install the tube inside the tire. 2. Position the BAJA No Pinch tool at the center axle. 3. Ensure the tool's base sits flush against the ground. 4. Apply the lever to push the tire bead over the rim. 5. Navigate the tool past the rim line, keeping it firmly pressed. 6. Confirm one side of the tire is mounted on the rim. 7. Move the tool around and continue mounting near the valve. 8. Always keep the tire's bead centered within the rim groove. 9. Finalize the process until the tire is fully mounted. 10. Reattach the tire and wheel assembly. Ready to ride! Notes: the tool is designed to assist in putting the tire onto the rim, not for taking it off. Check your bike's axle size. Consider buying an additional compatible sleeve. If necessary, you can use a bead buddy to help keep the tire in place. The design of our tool ensures minimal risk of pinching the tube.